Guys, we're back for our ultimate metal fusion clash between Jinga and Ryuga. Technical problem. Storm Pegasus and Lightning Drago. So, let the battle begin. Whoa! Round 1 takes Lightning Drago. Round 2. Sorry.
Oh, it was a false launch. Whoa!
Round 2 also for Lightning Drago.
Round 3.
Ultimate flashes left and right. Whoa! I think this round.
Pegasus will take.
I think, but I sometimes.
Don't know. Rubber is like, don't know. Should be more in stamina or less.
Rubber is.
Whole flat should be more in stamina. Rubber should be less. Let's see. Yeah, as it goes.
Right. Lightning Drago. It's round 3.
3.
Go. Sorry. Very sorry.
Cancel this round. Launch again. Launch Pegasus first. Yeah. Whoa, it's a tie. Whoa.
No chance for Pegasus.
I guess the match goes to Lightning Drago. 100 whole flat. In pretty much bad mint condition.
I'm gonna die. Please subscribe our channel and